The biggest and best of the summer sales is Amazon's Prime Day event, which runs on July 16th and 17th this year. But you don't necessarily need to wait to bag a bargain, because Amazon always lets a few tasty discounts slip the net to whet your appetite ahead of the main event. We have been keeping a close eye on what's available to help you find the best early Prime Day deals worth your time and money. This Prime Day, we cut to the chase, only including deals at their best price ever. It's also worth noting that many of these products will likely remain at these prices through Prime Day. Here are the top deals you need to grab right now. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Weber Spirit 2E 210 Gas Grill was $449, now $399. The Weber Spirit 2E 210 Gas Grill is a top choice for backyard grilling this summer. Priced at $399, it's $50 off, offering excellent value for a high-quality gas grill. This model is favored for its simplicity, build quality, even cooking temperatures, and easy-to-adjust burners. It features ample space for plates and platters with side trays, along with handy hooks for tongs and tools. The porcelain-coated cast-iron grill grates are solid and make cleanup relatively easy with a bit of soap and water. Its most favorable feature is the massive turn radius of the burner knobs, allowing for precise flame adjustment. Whether you're a grilling novice or a seasoned pro, the Weber Spirit 2E 210 is a reliable and versatile grill that will serve you well for many summers to come. Number 8. Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze was $180, now $150. Air fryers enable you to cook quickly and potentially more healthily. The best air fryers are essentially compact convection ovens that heat up quickly to make things like crispy chicken, fries, and donuts. This Cosori is our favorite smart air fryer because it can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or tablet. It has a digital control panel, too. We like the sleek, black, premium design. The cooking drawer slides out smoothly, and the handle doesn't get hot while in use. Just watch out for the sides, as they do get a little hot, so be sure the air fryer has plenty of space. The temperature ranges from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to a powerful 400, with 12 preset cooking modes. Number 7. T3 Smooth ID Straightener was $250, now $100. We've never seen it this low, though it is only the white model that is on sale. The T3 has a unique temperature-finding feature the company calls Heat ID technology that minimizes damage. To find the right temperature, select your hair features via the touch controls on the iron's handle. Texture, fine, medium, coarse, length, short, medium, long, and whether your hair is color-treated. We also love its refresh mode for touching up hair later at a lower temperature based on previous settings. Number 6. Hoover OnePwr Evolve Pet Elite Cordless Vacuum was $230, now $147. Lightweight and powerful, this cordless vacuum picked up everything from cereal to litter with one pass on its medium setting. It can also stand up on its own, which few cordless vacs can do. Hoover's device is one of the best cordless vacuums. The battery life is a little disappointing, though you can always buy a spare to switch in. This is the lowest price we've ever seen for this vacuum. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Android Tablet was $757, now $650. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is a powerful, slim Android tablet with top-of-the-line specs, making it a great choice for anyone in need of a versatile device. This tablet features the flagship-grade Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring smooth quality and long-lasting battery life. It comes with the S Pen stylus, allowing for precise sketching and note-taking. Android has improved significantly, making this tablet suitable for light work tasks as well. Priced at $650. Number 4. HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless Gaming Headset was $180, now $149. For gamers who despise having to frequently charge their wireless headsets, the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless is a game-changer. This headset boasts an incredible battery life, lasting up to 300 hours between charges. It delivers rich, booming sound, making it ideal for immersive gaming experiences. The ear cups are designed for comfort, even during extended gaming sessions, and the controls are intuitive and easy to use. The only downside is the lack of a headphone jack. Number 3. Amazon Eero Pro 6e 3-pack Wi-Fi Mesh System was $550, now $350. While it might be early for most people to consider Wi-Fi 7, the arrival of these systems has led to rapidly falling prices on Wi-Fi 6e routers. The tri-band Eero Pro 6e is one of the best mesh systems available, offering super speedy quality and 6 GHz Wi-Fi with a relatively short range. It also includes handy smart home hub functionality and compatibility with other Eero devices. The Eero Plus subscription, priced at $10 a month or $100 a year, adds significant value with security features, parental controls, VPN service, and a password manager. This is the lowest price we've seen for the 3-pack. Number 2. Amazon Eero Max 7 2-pack Wi-Fi Mesh System was $1,150, now $850. The Amazon Eero Max 7 is the current top Eero mesh system available, and at $850, it's the cheapest we've seen it. This Wi-Fi 7 mesh system opens up the 6 GHz band, alongside the familiar 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, promising significant improvements in speed and stability. Devices capable of Wi-Fi 7 can join on multiple bands simultaneously, enhancing quality. A 2-pack will easily cover most homes, and Eeros are backward compatible with earlier systems. They are our top recommendation for smart homes due to their ease of use and reliability. However, it's worth noting that Wi-Fi 7 is still in its early days, and even with the discount, this is an expensive mesh system. Nonetheless, if you're looking to future-proof your home network and get the best quality possible, this deal is worth considering. Number 1. Staples FlexFit Hyken Mesh Task Chair was $170, now $150. The Staples FlexFit Hyken Mesh Task Chair is a top budget chair. It has a breathable mesh fabric on the back and the seat, which helps keep you cool during long work sessions. The chair is sturdy and can hold up well for several years of use. It frequently dips to this price but doesn't go lower, making it a consistent bargain for those looking to upgrade their home office setup without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe for more Prime Day deals coming your way.